Hello, I'm Dr. Shahab Jaber, a quintuple board certified consultant facial plastic surgeon at the Centre for Surgery in London. I specialise in advanced facial rejuvenation procedures designed to restore a natural youthful appearance while maintaining your unique facial identity. At Centre for Surgery, we offer a full range of facelift procedures tailored to your individual needs. These include the mini facelift, ideal for early signs of aging and subtle jawline definition, and the SMAS facelift, which lifts deeper facial structures for longer lasting natural results. For more advanced aging concerns, we also perform the deep plane facelift, which targets deeper tissue to address sagging, cheeks, jowls, and prominent lines. We also offer mid facelifts focusing on the cheek and mid face, as well as the full facelift and neck lift procedures for combined comprehensive facial rejuvenation. Each treatment is fully customized, often combining techniques like fat grafting, neck contouring, and so on to achieve a natural balanced look. If you're considering facial rejuvenation, our expert team at the Centre for Surgery guide you through every step of your journey.